Want a true home theater experience? Meet the JMGO O2S Ultra, an ultra short-throw laser projector with stunning 4K visuals, vivid colors, and immersive sound, bringing a massive cinematic screen to your home from just inches away. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the JMGO O2S Ultra projector, a remote control, a power cable, a power adapter, and a USB Type-C cable. You'll also get a JMGO polishing cloth to keep the projector clean, along with a user manual to help you get started quickly. Product overview. Remote control. Projector, figure, projection size and distance. How to pair. Scan the QR code displayed on the projector screen using your smartphone. Download and install the JMGO app, then sign in, or create an account to connect and manage your projector. Place the JMGO O2S Ultra on a stable, level surface about 16.8 centimeters, 6.6 inches from the wall or projection screen. Connect the power adapter, plug it into a power outlet, and turn on the projector using the power button or remote. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language, connect the projector to your Wi-Fi network, and sign in to your Google account. If you don't want to sign in right away, you can skip this step and continue with the setup. After the setup is complete, the projector will automatically perform Keystone correction to align the image properly. Once the picture is adjusted, you're ready to start streaming, gaming, or enjoying your favorite content. Image adaptation. Use auto screen fitting to instantly match the projected image to your screen. If you're projecting onto a wall, intelligent image flattening and manual edge alignment help correct uneven surfaces and fine-tune the image for a perfect fit. Enable wall color adaptation to automatically adjust the projection's colors based on your wall, ensuring more accurate and natural-looking images even on colored surfaces. With the upgraded Google TV interface, easily access your favorite apps and streaming services. The one-panel settings menu lets you adjust display and sound settings from a single screen for a faster, more convenient experience. How to charge. Connect the included USB Type-C cable to the remote and plug the other end into a USB power adapter or powered USB port. The indicator light flashes slowly while charging and turns solid once the battery is fully charged. If the remote's battery is low, the indicator will flash 3 times to remind you it's time to recharge. Charging indicators. Smart features. Experience stunning 4K Ultra HD picture quality with sharp details, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast. Whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or gaming, the projector delivers a clear and immersive viewing experience on a large screen. The ultra-short throw lens creates a massive display from just 16.8 centimeters away from the wall. This space-saving design reduces shadows and makes installation simple, making it ideal for living rooms and home theaters. The O2S Ultra features auto screen fitting, auto keystone correction, intelligent image flattening, and wall color adaptation. These smart functions automatically optimize the image, reducing setup time while ensuring a perfectly aligned and natural-looking picture. Powered by Google TV, the projector gives you access to thousands of streaming apps, personalized content recommendations, and Google Assistant voice control. The convenient one-panel settings menu also lets you adjust picture, sound, and system settings quickly from a single screen. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.